waving their big ears back. Stomp, splash, trumpet away. Elephant family loves to play. Swing your trunk, let's have some fun under the bright and shiny sun. With mama's hug and sister's cheer, Ellie's world is full of love so near. Together they play, together they run. An elephant family's joy has just begun.